Hello students, let's recite a very tempting poem of class 5. The poem name is Papa's Spectacles. Let's recite and enjoy it. Today our Papa is searching everywhere. He has lost his spectacles. It was his only pair. He can't read the newspaper. He can't watch TV. He can't cut the vegetables. Oh, where can it be? He checked inside his pockets. He glanced under his chair. He searched near the window. He looked everywhere. I told him, "Stop, Papa." I went up close and said, "Papa, your spectacles are right there on your head." New words. Spectacles. Pair. Glanced. Searching. Let us think. A. Answer the following questions. 1. What is Papa searching for? 2. What are the possible places where Papa can find it? 3. At last, where does Papa find his lost item? B. Think and discuss. 1. Apart from reading, guess some other chorus. Apart from reading, guess some other chores that Papa cannot do without the spectacles. 2. What makes your Papa happy? 3. Make a list of things as instructed below. Things generally misplaced at your home. Who helps in finding these misplaced things? How would you express your gratitude to them? Things generally misplaced at your school. Who helps in finding these misplaced things? How would you express your gratitude to them? Let us learn. A. Look at the words in each group. Arrange them in ascending order. Write the smallest or lightest object first and the biggest or heaviest last. 1. Towel. Sari. Handkerchief. Bedsheet. 2. Apple. Strawberry. Cherry. Watermelon. 3. 29. 14. 91. 47. 4. Hen. Crow. Sparrow. Eagle. 5. Ox. Rabbit. Elephant. Squirrel. Write 2 examples more following the same pattern. B. Note the following phrase. A pair of shoes The word pair is used in all phrases given below. Fill in the blanks and complete the phrases. 1. A pair of dash. 2. A pair of dash. 3. A pair of dash. 4. A pair of dash. 5. A pair of dash. 6. A pair of dash. 7. A pair of dash. C. Encircle the word that is spelled correctly. One has been done for you. 1. Water. Water. Waiter. 2. Vegetables. 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 3. Balloon. 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 4. House. 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 5. Elephant. 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 6. Spectacles. 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 7. Carpenter. 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 8. Fruit. 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 9. Receive. 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 10. Principal. 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 D. Complete the story using the correct preposition. Around. After. Before. In. Above. On. Among. My father has a habit of keeping his spectacles dash random places. Last week he couldn't find his spectacles and looked dash the house. We checked the big box that reached dash our waist. My father looked for the spectacles dash. The newspaper kept dash the table. He continued searching for 2 hours. Dash finally giving up. He sat down on the bed. Dash giving one final look to the room and said with a sigh, looks like it is time to get a new pair. E. Use the clue given below to complete the classwords puzzle. Across. Down. 1. I said no. But he said dash. 2. Not far. It is dash. 3. Something small is not dash. 4. Don't be sad. Be dash. 6. I want dash. Clothes. Not the dirty ones. 8. Not inside. Play dash. 5. You are slow. She is dash. 6. Not hot. She likes dash coffee. 7. Not bought. But dash. 9. When it is not bright. It is dash. Let us speak. Papa is a commonly used word in English to address one's father. Say aloud the word you use for father in your language. Make a list of such words in your notebook. Share them with the class. Let us listen. Your teacher will read aloud a few words pairs. Listen carefully and encircle pairs in which the word sounds different. Pair, peer. 8, eight. Bed, bad. Not, Fear, fear. Hair, hair. Fear, fear. Wear, wore. Sun, sun. Dear, dear. Cold, could. Heel, heel. Not, note. Dear, dear. Would, would. Fill, fill. Note to the teacher. Repeat each pair 3-4 times so that the learners can focus on the sounds. It is advised that facilitators listen to the pronunciation of each word so that they may familiarize the learners with the sounds in a better way. You may also use audios in the class. Let us write. Write the poem Papa's Spectacles in the form of a story in your notebook. Share your story with the class. You may start like this. Today, my father is unhappy. Note to the teacher. Learners may work individually or in pairs. You may revisit tenses before this activity. Encourage the learners to use the present tense while writing the story. However, learners who want to write the story in the past tense may be given a different prompt to begin the story. For example, one day my father lost his spectacles. You may ask the learners to convert more poems into stories. Let us do A. Fun with matchsticks. Move 3 matchsticks to the make 3 squares. B. Look at the flame. Touch the red star with the tip of your nose. And look at the candle. And lo, it starts burning. C. Look carefully Can you find D?
Can you find D?
Just for fun.
Just for fun.
Riddle.
Riddle.
I go to the market.
I go to the market.
I lovingly bring you home.
I lovingly bring you home.
I sit in front of you.
I sit in front of you.
And I cry,
And I cry.
cry,
Cry.
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 What is it?
What is